This podcast is dedicated to travelers. Be more than a tourist by listening to Speak French avec moi, your French coach. Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Hello and welcome to Speak French avec moi. Today, let's take a few minutes, no more than 5, to learn how to pronounce 6 French wine. When you go to the restaurant and you want to order French wine, feel more confident by knowing how to pronounce these 6 different wines. Are you ready? I'm going to speak French now. Our first French wine will be Bordeaux. Bordeaux. Bordeaux is spelled B-O-R-D-A-U-X. So let's think about it. Bordeaux. When you have O in front of R, you make A. You open your mouth very wide. A, bar, bar. And then when you see E-A-U, that's O. So in Bordeaux, you have 2 different O sounds. One is high pitch, A. One is low pitch, O. Bordeaux. Think about that. Next time you want to order, think about high pitch, low pitch. Bordeaux. Now let's move on to another wine. Chardonnay. Chardonnay. This wine is very famous. It's a white wine that you mostly find in the Burgundy area and the South France. Chardonnay. Here it's very interesting because you have AY at the end and the sound is E. Chardonnay. To make that sound, this E sound, you open your mouth very wide. E. Chardonnay. E. Now, let's talk about another one. This one is bubbly, and I know you like it. It's a very festive wine. Champagne. Champagne. I know it's very difficult to make the sound. Champagne. But let's try. Champagne. See, when you have a GN, you pronounce the sound N. Champagne. Champagne. So if you know how to make the sound N, then let's talk about Bourgogne. Bourgogne. Bourgogne is a wine that is made either white or red grapes. It's mostly made with a famous grape. It's called Pinot Noir. Pinot, it's spelled P-I-N-O-T. Pinot. Pinot. You don't pronounce the T at the end. Pinot Noir. And you'll find a lot of Pinot Noir in Bourgogne. Bourgogne. And there's another white wine that you heard about. It's called Sauvignon. Sauvignon. In Sauvignon, you find O, A-U, and as we said, it's a low pitch. And the sound N. Sauvignon. Sauvignon. Now there's another wine that you heard. Cabernet. Cabernet. Cab would say some people. But if you're in France, nobody will understand cab. Cabernet. So let's try again with all the wine. Bordeaux. Chardonnay. Champagne. Bourgogne. Sauvignon. Et Cabernet. This is the end of this podcast. I thought it would be fun to learn how to pronounce French wine. You can also find more contents by going on my YouTube channel, Speak French avec moi, or by going to my Facebook page, Speak French avec moi. Merci.